nipa baako a ye target no pa e ono abo Kennedy Agyapong obi ase wo ka ho e no no na eku no ono o se de ben ba so para ba be kasa o se se wo bi a e wo se ye bono eti a eni ye former vice president Bawumia because ono no ye head of police and security nti no no e na nke wo se ye bisa no 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 de munyinu enfri sasem no ene sasem na mo de e tag no many ben Bruce e wa hanum say ye ba abetwetwe nkomo afasa ensem no ho na ode da adventure amaye ben director Ben Bruce sikana bana
sikana je se paso awon bibi a chira check ni na ni
check no dia chira you mate ya kwa amayo nsem ye entertainment kakra ni e bibi afa na de real politics ni amayo nsem na nsem na wotete what be
oh mate na menim nsem de se asebo start boy obi ani Ahmed Suale we ya up to now you the main reason obi cool no obi ani na obi ani say target Kennedy because of his utterances them say metie bia kama na nanso ni aba nso metie bi timinim ni eko yeah
na me kind review hanum say ya just said during his interview what kind e Kesben TV na or say me pay asem chrono okay or say Dr. Bawumia, one of his contenders in the NPP flag bearership race, should know the person who killed Ahmed Suale because he is the head of the police council. Now, so those who wrote the 10 cents of Agyapong in support of Bawumia, Bawumia is the vice president. He is the head of the police council. They know the killers of Ahmed Suale. Why have they not spoken out? And they are coming to blame me for it, he said in tree. Until no said someone walk coming. Who's say some no walk coming? Because I said a year vice president Bawumia.
Obiani said maybe a strong Kennedy Agyapong supporter. But sometimes no the utterances we know Emma Yamu be a idina chino Emma yesefem kakra. Nieti ameka say say you see if we are say me no ya de na meka say twen na obi hu na ochena nyame mfasa ma na oda ho no ansoro ya me na meku me na meku because twen na obi hu a threat ya do call police station na ye be hold you na minim campaign message ko awoye na you see I don't like personal attacks when it comes to campaign ya dia me chi John Mahama ko dina ba bia na o ka say when ma ba o de judiciary almost beba wrong ekufa no ko dina GBL mo no so kan wrong as Ghanaians you making sure say ade na ye personal attacks no e beja nienti America ba say Kennedy sala kasa yawo ni bufu a asif say ya piano song and okay no or kai say I'll show that boy when somebody see you and check no ko wu there
so be ne
enti ehwema what dey cool no who put out in the picture like who Kennedy no you brought the guy's picture I can't go be anymore no enti ye kase obi akoko na what akoko no
I want TV no so
yeah what akoko no let's call a spade and you say because you support somebody ninti or ye nyama phone cry was me supporting no my ye nyama sa nipa no or atafo because of the duma moye no na obi wo ho no ma o kan ye ninti obetimi afechi kwa kokko no na ye dia show and this time Kennedy eya onya wise kakra ni no
that's onya wise
no me say obi enim say me supporter David Obianim said me supporter of Kennedy. But my catcher, my Debia, because the utterances been accosting them, never costing them. First of all, Sa campaign we are okay last week or can be about Asenso or opinion. Very unnecessary.
Asenso
watch it. Say, will be Okumasi. No, you see, campaigns or say Obi Okumasi or cast someone in Antoma Bawumia. What is this? Yeah, campaign. Okay, 2024. Me, I want Ghanaians to have a clean campaign. It has a clean campaign now. No personal tax. Me ba, me we, adian or mine, ye na ye pedi unless Obi pedi. Ye na pedi nti o we bia me ba, Mrs. Schools 200. Or me dem ba Mrs. 350. Me dem Mrs. 400. And only I can say ideas ni ye. And your personal tax, and yes we a short, we here. That one a no starter. And that is the campaign that Kennedy wants to use. It shows that you are desperate. Okwasa Obia or politically sound by say what do squad one was there so we swear we it's say no your personal tax. And yet
yes sure.
No.
Because I'm out for aboliting, even though say Okase Okasa say Ahmed or the bend don't train you Bawumia and a coffee banchen you and a winning more.
Abla Obia money you Bawumia ko boni a campaign here about your Kasai. Stick to the things now, yeah. What I said, when now, Obia will say desperation are setting in, and you want to manage the waters. What moves what I said, my Obi, can't never count, but who you can't not Kobe? You're not being fair. And then you can't just say, yeah, campaign, what but Snasset, me boy, Bass said, like I said, also the MPP, the other MPP. Now, campaign will be clean, I bet you. Fine, what count? Now the following week, what about my count? Do you think Ghanaians will trust you? Who you can say? Now what you say? And not a bad image. Because maybe the name say, obey clean campaign, or Lusu will cry now. Obey me a chance for 2028. What did I make I say? But no, some of us here for this, be crying, you're wrong side.
Ninsem or Sankan, yen kind ship. Was it the presidency? Okay, the presidential hopeful added that if the government truly does not know the person who killed Ahmed Suale, then it's an indication that its national security structure has failed. And what say if you are a government and your national security into bracket architecture does not know the person who killed Ahmed Suale, then it means you don't know what you are doing. Is this one of the 10 sins of Kennedy that has been added? Abena. Parliament or a head of defense or parliament. What is he talking about? No, you see the way Okasan Asim said, I don't know. I said no kind. Was it even needed at that time? Oh yeah, campaign. Chenyama would ba my children say, Oba catch a Ghana for say, your friend say, President Powers no better so. My Cassandra Monte. President Powers no better so. Send your electoral commissioner and your president no be in the IGP, who can say we are Ghana for bet 2 hours one time. On here. Oh sorry, I feel personal attacks now. How will you win the contest? Nipa na no what attacking no. He's not talking no. On Kasao. It's a wound on your way, no. You see, open Bawumia on the Managround. One number the ground, no. All the way in the campaign house to house. Who are making our friendly public brain and now who's all same. How do you do that? Even if you win, do you think some people will win? Don't be a supporter. You need the numbers into where your internal election. Into any say madu waters no. Extracted you. Madu waters nieti Bawumia no. Why didn't he say Owinia Oye Ken on his campaign? Oye Alan Chairman on his campaign. That is Obia who doing actually. Then you Obia your internal way. John Mahama ni mo na baby you. Now for who attacking your own personal people. What the hell? It doesn't make sense. A boss who do not needless. Bring what you do
Bia aban way or you say on my Bank of Ghana try 7 billion me back sa closeness on baby if you yeah ma president appointed Bank of Ghana na me say ma 2 amount because who can say just say who drink that first bring programs and policies no guys below the belt no or and one
until you visa no during an interview about us and not also
Obeka said now is campaign time. No, you see, you need to strategize. Catch up say now is the campaign time. Ask me the things that I will do when I come. Because sir, we know sir, your friend say topic no. Ya come and you've explained yourself and it is a money pan even a chance for the person to say something. You see, you can so be a clever. Who can say no what divert yourself. Because I said no and who here at that time. And no be no aka we no Bawumia no.
Because social started free in Komobi.
But and yet who sabe why you do much or TV station po. There's so who say and yet question be a pizza no. Na say we here. Ebi you can even divert. Oh asema kind they say trouble. You can the carrot. Ask me the things that I'll do. Simple. And then I will come away, no come away, and I will grab. What is this? Come here, madam.
During his interview some time back, and say in some say yana, because we saw no poker if you show us if you say oh yeah, emotional politicians you sue word because I say when they trim or expect to sanka ye bisa no so ya solve your case.
It's simple. It's simple. I've been simple. Me yeah, me say me can't send back home. No trouble. Now when me interview now be some make so e twam e kind the current issue
me twaso
me my make say twaso me boy look stupid make just now what some twam dey that ya wie no be some me ba me ye and that's what people want to hear.
Yeah.
Suale accept no matter how painful it is, it won't bring butter and bread on my table. I'm a Ghanaian. Me ma go school except me ma no me future for them. Those are the things I want to hear. And you ba ban wa be kika na Bawumia na say or your council be wa wo ye your parliament wo ye head of what defense committee. So what did you do? What did you do? If our person can say what did you do? No, don't let us even start that conversation. And what Ghana ye so petty asemaba ye can say courts on the choir courts in can answer. Yeah, co-election, and dear now person we yeah. America formal co-election, yeah, go for personal attacks and what I want to do for America, that's what we should be talking about. And yeah, and I wake up, and does it change you? Doesn't bring food into your money into your pockets. No.
Who is second your kind of
and you're not correct. Or can you in favor? Sana Mihunafi. Or can you favor? Because say and I'm also. And I said when buy a for MPP. I can say because we are Canadian, the government doesn't want to touch you. A government, no. Now some come back now for who you should that very thing now. The government was quite on to come ahead and we are. You are not being truthful. Who can crab back say. And yeah, who can ya a bit favor. That's how I see it. That's it.
That's not who so kind of.
No good again.
Said that before, said
good
kind of
before I so I way because you see me bias say me per no matter what the moment you do something I'll tell you what you've done is wrong me credit I'll tell you because if you ask me one and say what me man will no cry a dead say me I didn't make favor me pay now me can it means I'm not truthful. What I said? Because nipa na bisa you want to hurt Bawumia no nti what divert agenda ko meanwhile no as a seasoned politician na so person be the Ghana so wetin you so I dey wait job na ken kwanim na can bisa me questions am ba meye because you have a long list of things that you do
and I can say Ben Bruce one boy
because me say me the president na say
okay and I mention so I am sanitation minister
me be myself na scam
so the side there abena
oh every day and then one say me ma 43 million na dia buti
yes
so dia put it na o dia ko show fee
Yes, I be so the opposition reserve woman. Obisa nke bi a Bruce air president. Na ye fan say Douglas so air president. And now what Douglas so that there was say who can adia Douglas aye. Na upona baso. Okay, Douglas by why you say me so me ba say na me dance ube condemn say Douglas claw by na me monye wonye hwe who ne say sadie no ene emboa oman na.
You see, your man, to be frank with you, politicians, you know, major motive in some message Ghana. Messana Bruno. Major, I feel home to some message Ghana. Who did I make us? Check it from Rolling Stone. Or ye near money be. And do the last MC 98 one on a memory bisa and call. Kufo buy, Kufo is affordable houses. Where is that thing? Office no, mutin you. Office na atabas by boy. On any job mahama na abandoned affordable houses. And almost time Ghana sika no kwasi cycle me. Okay, I don't say affordable houses. Office na ekufado buy, mutin you na ekufado so abandon. And what's up with madam the sika? Was all you see National Cathedral or we are not saying sense for them. Are we not mad people? Your mother. No, your mother. Ah, there be your mother.
Say your mother.
Make a home, you know your mother. Because your mother be her. Only baby. Say what ba? Kufuwa affordable houses. Who completing a case kufuwa the start here? Na kaele.
I'm saying no.
David, no, say you're petty, and I hear you do no. Ah, Obiaba, why ye be? Now me bad me trust them via near can, not hide. What does it take away from me? Say me dogana, now you say Ghana pint, now me tea, me make a sa. Now me yebia, me meet me na. Maximum 8 years. Me wa. Obiaba, why ye be? Miss me buy no be so. No, could you imagine the kind of money we'll be saving if for affordable house? No, yeah. And when you started Sagleme house, no, and I to buy no, so no, I can't for Sagana acquiring. And then me, I can say, ye need that, but me, we will not be having this conversation. I can come. Whereby no abesoa. No, I tell you, now we have because politicians in Ghana, they don't love Ghana. Only Ghana tax. I'm telling you. Because no, yet I make us say, oh, now I'm disappointed in him and say, I said, no, can
no, okay, sir. Ebi assembly and a country because among for the I've heard a lot of people say, only movie. It's a person was signing a free Ahmed.
Abena, Asamato. Now, me want can't say now me rope you in. Doesn't make me truthful.
Send your person, oh my God.
Okay. Good.
Head of national.
Oh, person Ghana phone. Oh, every Ghana phone, Pamocho. And me say, the way I'm born in my money here. And nothing I see here, no. Never for any for me. But enemy na me. When you obia or you truthful and you frank discussion, what blame because you were part. You showed the guy's picture. And you showed it. We are not saying say you killed him, but you started that thing. So you are part of it.
Since that time before be and that's a buy and no
Mammy, open president. Now, President, don't take Jubilee outside, no, or be cancelled for. And that's what my contract to be. Oh, yeah, I'm not going to say, oh, the front of the sign. Wow.
No,
it's good. It's one needs her aim, no. Then the one your aim, no. Open see one and can wait for your opportunity. Or can you not get them so? I made a mistake. I am sorry. Let's move on. And no, make us say, this is the man for Ghana. But me can you know once I rope it open at a room. don't do this.
If you are not for cassette, Kennedy, a hash, Bawumia, a soft. Into a person who say, okay, or no, so no. On yet, soft, son, I'm doing.
You see, it's trying to number me can be. I saw who will be not if you know. Casa be a becoming if you know. Who shall be not, but remember all 3 more. But if I will say, oh, sir, Mate, we can San Panasu. Your cast will be a weaker and yet character. And yes, I'm yet to me weak Debbie. And finally, yet, or be one man or will fear behind him. Into a decide you know, epic path, Safi, no. Your cast will be a stronger. So who can't say no or say on weaver. What's I say? But did you for no woman you read?
We saw when you did the Bawumia.
Who's sorry, say?
Who's
sorry, near children can play who's all doing. Massa, don't let us even go to that discussion. We need people to work. What's your bad president? What do you have for Ghana? Just say it. Me will wait. Me person me wait. A bad woman, Ghana, met Wama.
Aside as someone who free say you shouldn't have come out of the honorable candidate. Who they say onye idea onye she. Honorable candidate.
Onye president da. Ni the better no say obetwe bi
so onye president dem say who say obetwe bi.
And yes I can kofa despite him right no president. That's why Wabu Kawai says, I don't hear conversation there. Let's go and bring him. Do you know what people have done that they are not talking? Or you one of my shared back, so I can't be at it. Is it the kind of thing that we want?
No, see, I know, I said, or draw a woman can the flu one.
Oh, because analysis near you know, Ghana, okay? People don't know me, but me, Ghana first. It's not about anybody. Me, some party, me, some nipa, me, some Ghana. Be Pierre Bayama Ghana Akosono. That's what I'll do. It's not about you, the personal. You see, Ghanaians near high end personality. Oh, media, oh, I brought you in warfare. Metroman, Uninyansa, Pathway, every pathway papa, Uninyansa.
I didn't say, oh, no, to me, will be to me.
Messi Uninyansa, because, yeah, discussion shouldn't even be that. It should be said, at this point in time, why are you not betting me on Ghana? Period. It's not about party.
That's all in the party, so now for sure.
Forget yen na yama party aisa. Yen yama party aisa. Say obi to me crack say all the crime crack with metro man. Uni nyansa. Because sepe so party na at that time people no di anim no. Ontime mo Ghana. Why do you vote for that way no? Party because of what? Tribe or what? It means we are not thinking. Because you're being here time where a critical time in Ghana's life. Who can leave Ghana? Me catch my mom go no be antimi leave Ghana.
Nti ho ane be leave Ghana. Obi antimi leave Ghana.
I say pamom nyina.
Na kwanya ba.
Ah na you groom the next generation.
Na kwanya tena so atwen next generation.
Ya ma kroni na ho.
Na no Ghana.
Ah ya ma kroni na ho. Sa hemfo ni so mo dey so. Because hey woni Ghana baby a ye ko baby a for the past since 92 to now. Ya market time baby a ye ko. Ye ko baby a because ye ko ye chi.
Nancy Mumi who said Obi Echo Cha Motowi.
Yeah.
Said a whole to that was coming.
Yeah, manhole. Me am a corda. Oh, yeah, why not careful? Ube motowi so. Especially in you die.
I said, one if I can say a apartment for one, and yes, I did. Yes, I did for 60 years.
Yes, over 60 years.
Over 60 years.
Yes.
But still, now, for say. A year so to me, I get point as at that time. Na and net a pine, a friend to two. Then they are be better now, so I 3 weeks now pointed to two. Now still, Mocas and a Ghana, as a will be the president. Still, a Bacas 1 year share, and a president began a year share. The
discussion is not about 1 year and away. But at the end of the year, I have any could do. Resources are not coming from our one. What ye be a Quebec since. Pamphire, yes, or dear. What they call my Egypt for na so de ko ware
Say I last words because the way what take our count rubber can last time now to her count rubber can there something they say oh yeah open us some the real that's see energy no as a okra no wo switch
there be no na say nkofo who say me I stand for Ghana. I don't stand for anybody.
And then next time Ghana
I'm standing for. I'm standing for Bia.
Yes. So did you make any baby or last words?
Maybe a Ghana ni obi a Ghana ni. So ya Ghana ni me Ghana no be a Ghana ni a obi antimi sisi yen. Ba me NDC na ya MPP ni. And no na obi betimi the tribal in the tribe yen na ya Ghana for. That's the way to go.
In Ghana.
That's it.
Okay. Ben Bruce and our wakasa no was a bear crank will be a enjoy a battle and let us say Yamagana and Dahoni next generation. Next generation is so now. Omonamo mukum go forward movie any new generation cry a deal a betina. Aha, 2 GH, meeting at the Abena pretty.